Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of Wacky Wednesday Crafting with Miss Lee. Today, I would like to introduce you to the new project. I will show you how to make one of these WindCatcher. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay everybody, we need to look to see what supply do we need for this project. So you will need 2 medium-sized cups, one has been poked a hole at the bottom, and the others have been poked a hole around the cup. 1, 2, 3, 4 spots. Then you will need 4 small cups this size, and then mark the spot. You see where the holes have been poked right here on through to the sides. All 4 cups, just the same way. Then 1 cup you want to put a sticker dot to indicate your wind speed. So let's go ahead and get started. So you will need to cut 2 pieces of barbecue skewer 9 inches long and 1 piece 8 inches long, and cut a piece of drinking straw about 5 inches long. At the bottom, you will take a small pair of scissors and you will cut about 3/4 inch up. And if you follow this red line, you notice that it's going to be equal amount. So cut on a red line like this. And open up the flap. This one open, so it looks like this. Then you will attach this straw onto a cup, the one with the hole poked around. So you attach into the center of the cup like this with duct tape. So I have one attached already. Look like this. Once you have the cup attached, once you have a straw with the flap cut out, placed at the bottom of the cup, you will insert skewer in this fashion. So one will go this way and the second screw will go the right angle like this. So here now I have all the 4 little cups insert onto a skewer, so it looked like this. That's the top part of your WindCatcher. So let's move on to the base. So to make a base, you'll take an old CD and take a small amount of reusable adhesive putty, form into a ball like this. And before you place that on the center, you want to take a piece of tape to put it under, so give you a little stable spot here. So like this, and place adhesive putty into the center. Press it down firmly. Now the next step, you want to take your cup that you have little holes punched in the middle, place onto a CD right in the center, and you want to mark the spot around the cup. I will mark 4 spots, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So now you see I put a small amount of putty onto the spot that I marked. Then I'll take the cup and take a screw that's 8 inches long, insert through the opening of the bottom of the cup like this. Then you will place it on top, center, onto this putty. Just push it down, then push down your cup, And these putty will hold it in place. Now you're ready to slip your WindCatcher cups onto these skewers. Now it's time to test these to see if these will work. So I will turn on the fan. Now you see how it works, and you see a little dot that moving that allow you to count the wind speed. Thank you for watching this presentation, and I hope you will make one of these WindCatcher, and I hope to see you next time.